Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just showing you another little set of press-on nails. So I'm coming in with Natural Nude from Glitterbels and I'm gonna just pop this over all of the nails. I'm pretty sure I did about 3 coats, but I think I'll only show you the one. So on the nail, which would be the thumb and I think the pinky, I am coming in with some top coat because these ones are not going to have like the drippy paint effect on them. So I'm just going to pop some top coat on them, and the middle 3 are going to be matte top coat. So now I'm just going to show you, I can't remember if I show you all the colours or just one at a time, but I think I might show you them all. I can't see what their names are, that's why I decided just to show them, it's so much easier. My recording bar's in the way. So I'm using a yellow, a pink and a green. And I just pop them onto my palette at the sides and then come in with a little liner brush and sort of like make like a dot and drag it up. And I'll do that 4 or 5 times and then join them all at the top. But where, God, I'm so rubbish at explaining stuff. So once I do the line round the top, where the lines from the drips join, I'll sort of curve them a bit to make it look like the paint's actually running down the nail, if you understand what I'm saying. Honestly, I'm so bad at trying to explain anything. So I'm just going to do that with 3 colours, the pink, the yellow and the green. So I'm just going to let you watch. So once I've done that, I'll cure them all for 60 seconds and then I'm going to come in with top coat just over the top of the paint drips because the nails are actually, I want to keep the nails matte underneath. So I've done the same again, just pop some on my palette and then coming in with my liner brush and just going over the top of where I've gone with the colour. I'll cure that for 60 seconds. So what I've done here is the colours that I already used to do the paint drips. I just scooped up a little bit of each onto a flat gel brush, or it could be the ombre brush. I think it's a flat gel brush. And I'm just going to wiggle that onto the nail just to make a marble line. So I do that on the thumb and the pinky finger. Come here, darling. I do that on the thumb and the pinky finger. And once I'm happy with that, I'll pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds, top coat it, and this is the final result. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you again in my next one. Thank you.